The OnePlus 15 is now officially on open sale in the United States, and this marks an important moment for OnePlus fans who have been waiting for the brand's latest flagship to finally arrive. The phone was first unveiled back in October in China, and while it made its international debut more than a month ago, the US launch faced an unexpected delay due to the government shutdown. After a short pre-order window earlier this month, the wait is now over, and the OnePlus 15 can be purchased directly. Right now, the OnePlus 15 is available through OnePlus official website as well as Amazon, making it easy for buyers to choose their preferred platform. In the US market, the phone is offered in 3 color options: Infinite Black, Ultraviolet, and Sandstorm. These finishes give users a mix of classic, bold, and textured looks to choose from, depending on their personal style. When it comes to memory and storage, OnePlus is offering 2 configurations in the US. The base model comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, priced at $80.99. For users who want more headroom for heavy multitasking, gaming, or large files, there is also a higher-end version with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, priced at $999.99. However, it's worth noting that at the moment, only the Infinite Black color is available in both memory options, while the other colors may be limited depending on stock. At the heart of the OnePlus 15 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is Qualcomm's top-tier chipset and is designed to deliver flagship-level performance across the board. Whether it's everyday tasks, demanding apps, or high-end gaming, this chip is built to handle it all smoothly. The phone runs on Android 16 with Oxygen OS 16 on top, continuing OnePlus' focus on a clean and fast software experience with added customization. The display is another major highlight of the OnePlus 15. It features a 678-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate makes scrolling, animations, and gaming feel incredibly smooth. The screen resolution sits at 2772 by 1272 pixels, offering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and deep blacks. Thanks to LTPO technology, the refresh rate can adapt depending on what you're doing, helping balance smoothness and battery efficiency. Battery life is clearly a big focus this year. The OnePlus 15 packs a massive 7300 mAh silicon carbon battery, which is larger than what most flagship phones currently offer. This should translate into long usage times, even for power users. Charging is equally impressive, with support for 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging. This means you can top up the battery very quickly with a cable or enjoy fast wireless charging without sacrificing too much time. On the camera side, the OnePlus 15 comes with a total of 4 cameras. On the front, there is a 32MP selfie camera for photos and video calls. On the back, you get a triple 50MP setup, which includes a main camera, an ultra-wide camera, and a periscope telephoto camera. This setup is designed to cover a wide range of shooting situations, from everyday photos to wide landscapes and zoomed-in shots. Overall, the OnePlus 15 positions itself as a true flagship device in the US market. With a powerful processor, a fast and smooth display, a huge battery with ultra-fast charging, and a versatile camera system, it aims to compete directly with other premium smartphones in its price range. For those who want to dive deeper into real-world performance, camera quality, and daily usage, a full written review and video review are available, offering a closer look at what the OnePlus 15 delivers.